Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel if you're new here. Hey, I'm Shakay. So guys, today is Friday and we're going somewhere, so taking you guys along. So should be going to Maypen, should be going to Mandeville. We're not sure exactly where, but we're going out, so I don't know what was the best school I'm a school. My school. With the best. This is my school. That thing was done by my batch. Perfect. It carried it at the museum today. See? Yeah. Hello, good afternoon. To the dirt into the minister's office.
You go straight up the pathway, all the way to the back and the second floor.
Thank you.
Hi.
Your preference.
Listen.
Guys, this is so cute. Here we go. Hi guys, so we are at the ministry at the moment. It says one person at a time, so not to do it. But this view is beautiful, people. I'm gonna show you. So it is a hotel. So the building is in a hotel. So yeah, really beautiful. So guys are walking back. We just fill out the form. I don't like people. I don't look fun. That's very cute.
Yes, so I'm married.
She must have husband yet. Oh yeah, it's a cute little place. Hi guys, so we just leave Ross here.
Are we by Zing and now I'm by
Anyways guys, I think you guys have seen me. I'm not even sure, but yeah. Mommy.
Daddy, why you fight against my mother so?
I always a fight last. I tell the boss say I chew a rain.
As we are going into Mandeville. Alright guys, hey, I'm back home. So before I change, I want to show you guys what I bought. So I kind of bought a fake iPod, not iPod, what do you call this? Like kind of bright to wear. So it's a fake, yeah, fake iPod. And I bought a case for it. So this is it. Why is it so bright? Yeah, so see it here. So this is it. I'm gonna show you guys it. The iPod I bought, it is goldish. Yeah, there we go. So it is gold, and I have it in this M&M's case. Yeah. So yes, this was 2000 something else. That's why I'm gonna say fake, but it works just like an iPod. So not iPod, AirPod. It works just like an AirPod. And I bought my cream. I make sure I'm gonna buy 3 because every minute I can't find it. So I bought 3 of these. Jesus. I bought a, what do you call these? Press-on nails. I bought some press-on nails in black. I don't think I'll put them on for now. Well, I might try them out and for now and show you guys what they look like, because I'm gonna do my nails for my birthday, so I'm gonna do too much. I bought toothbrush because my toothbrush needs to change. I bought my favorite body wash, hairspray. So my phone screen, the protector had broke, so I taken it off, so I bought a new one, and I bought the privacy one, so the black one. And yeah, so when I do this, can't necessarily see on the phone, but when I do this I can see. So yeah, and I also bought a new case and a new pop socket as well. So yeah, this is the case. It's black, plain black with the clear back, and this I call it soldier print looking blue and black soldier print pop socket, and that's about it. That's what I bought today. I'm about food, so yeah, I'm gonna change and get ready for Young Adult Fellowship. By the way, guys, this is what I wore. I wore this gray top with this black jeans, and I wore my white sneakers as well. Yeah. Hey guys, so I am now watching TV, but guys, I bought a press-on nails and I was so excited to try it. I actually put it on, so this is what it looks like. So yeah, it's black. I bought black because I like black, so yeah. But actually not bad, and I'll tell you, I paid like what, $600 for it. So I'll tell you guys if it was worth the price. $600, I don't know what you put money still, so it's not bad. So I feel like it's will drop off, because if you realize they're very thin, but if them drop off, I'm gonna buy one glue and just glue them on, Yeah.